We have what appears to be a fairly traditional looking twin screw face vise, but as we all know, appearances can be deceiving. Let's have a little bit closer look at the vise. This particular vise has a maximum opening of 12.5 inches. The distance between the clamp shafts is 24 inches with maximum workpiece width. The clamp shafts are designed to operate without grease or oil, so your work stays clean. The front jaw is hard maple, solid, almost 36 inches wide, 1.75 inches thick, and 6 inches high. One last feature is this built-in compliance in the front jaw, which allows slightly tapered work to be clamped